Welcome to another Lightyear episode with the AnKing. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the custom study function. This will allow you to review right after watching a movie, or perhaps you aren't using the full spaced repetition in Anki, but you can still use this to quiz yourself right before a test. So here we go. After making the original video, which will show right after this, I realized there's an add-on that actually makes this way easier. So I'm going to show you that. I don't have Lightyear on here, but the video right after this will have Lightyear. If you go into the browser, and we can go to any of the tags, here's like the LOL tags. I'll just use them as an example because they're well organized. You could do this with Zanki, with Sketchy. You could do this with the decks, anything. And say I'm learning gram-positive bacteria. Here's all the gram-positive videos. And let's say I wanted to learn all of those. I just click on that tag so that that's in the search bar there. Then I'm going to hit Edit, Create Filtered Deck based on this search. And that's the add-on. And when you do that, it'll pull that up in the search bar so that you can do that. So keep watching. It'll explain the rest of this. But that's just a quick way to get it into the thing, and the add-on is called Create Filtered Decks. I'll show you that here from the browser. And you may also notice I am on Anki 2.1, which in previous videos I recommended 2.0. It looks like they are supporting everything that I like, so I'll be making videos coming up soon on how to use Anki 2.1. Okay, here we are. I've got my Lightyear deck. I've also got the Zanki deck. I'll show you how to do that at the end. We're going to go into the browser first. And as you can see, there's only one Lightyear deck, so you have to go down to the tags. Now here's all of the capital letters. You got to scroll past those to the lowercase letters until you find BAB. That's the Boards and Beyond tag. There's also one for first aid you can use. But let's say we just watched a biochemistry video on B12 and folate, and we want to quiz ourselves on it, or maybe we just feel like that's weak and we want to go over that specific video before the quiz. Now we're going to highlight this right here and copy it. And note that there are 41 cards in this deck. So we're going to get out of here and we're going to go Tools, Create Filtered Deck, and we want to search within the tag that we have. Now this star there means everything underneath it. So if I put a star next to vitamins and deleted this, it would do all three of those videos that are within the vitamins video. So we're just going to go back to what we had. Now, I would advise you to just limit to 1,000. That way you get every card that's within that. Obviously, you could tweak that if needed. And you can select the cards however you want. You can make it random. You could do the most lapses. The ones you're getting wrong will show up first. Or you could do it in increasing intervals. The ones you're still learning will show up first. You can do it however you want. If you're just studying before a quiz and you've been doing these cards, you would want to uncheck the reschedule cards. And then you could set your own custom steps. Now, say you have a quiz in a couple days. You could set it to come back tomorrow and then come back the next day, so you're reviewing it every day for the next couple days. Now we'll hit build. And that is going to give us a filtered deck with 41 cards. If we go to study it, as you can see, if I hit easy, then it will end it. That means it'll kick it out of the filtered deck. And none of this is rescheduling the actual card within my Lightyear deck. This is just to help me review outside of that. Now I'll show you another trick. Let's see, we'll delete this first or it won't work. We go back into the browser under our tags, go back to the same one. Now, like I said, you could do everything within the vitamins tag if you put that star there, but let's say we just wanted to do B12 folate and B vitamins. So note that right there, we got about 62 cards in that one. I'm going to keep the same thing copied and then just note B vitamins, and we'll go in here and create a new filtered deck. Now I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do space or space and paste again, the exact same thing, but I'm going to delete this and change that part to be vitamins. Now, obviously, if it was a more complex thing, you would need to change this entire thing if you had different ones. Set that like I had before. Again, you could do this however you wanted, and build. And there you go, I have 103 cards now, so I have all the cards within those two decks. Now, you can do the exact same thing by using the Zanki step decks with the deck name. So you could copy this thing, but there's 12,000 cards there, so that makes it really difficult. Zanki does have some tags, like Pathoma here. You could do Pathoma GI with the GI videos, but again, there's still a lot of cards, so it doesn't work as well with Zanki. It may work better with the Sketchy. If you're using all the pepper cards, they are well organized, and you could test yourself on, the antimicrobials of the penicillin video if you wanted. So that's how you use the filtered decks. Thanks for learning with the AnKing. If you enjoyed this, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, please leave any and all questions and comments. Here's our email. We will try to make as many of these videos as we possibly can to help you as you study.